Honor 100 just launched before few days ago, fast refresh rate 1.5K OLED display, Sony IMX 906 main camera sensor, 3rd generation Snapdragon processor, lightweight in design, fast charging and many more. Today I am going to show you first impression of Honor 100 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from Maiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. For more amazing tech videos, let's start with the design of the Honor 100. When you look at the front, you'll notice a single punch hole for the selfie camera. The display is curved on all 4 sides, giving it a sleek look, and it has a high screen-to-body ratio. The color is moon shadow white, which gives it a solid appearance. Moving to the back, you'll see the camera housed in a C-shaped metal ring, with a unique design. Despite all these features, the phone is not too heavy. The Honor 100 boasts a slim profile, weighing around 183 grams and measuring 7.8 millimeters thick. Its display is a 6.7-inch OLED screen with a resolution of 1.5K. It offers a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a peak brightness level of up to 2600 nits. What sets it apart is the inclusion of the world's highest 3840 Hz PWM dimming feature, ensuring the highest level of eye protection and eliminating screen flickering issues. When it comes to the camera, the Honor 100 features a rear-facing dual-camera setup. This setup includes a primary 50-megapixel main camera and a secondary 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. On the front, there's a 50-megapixel selfie camera. The main sensor this time is the Sony IMX 906, offering excellent image quality. Additionally, the main camera comes with optical image stabilization for steady shots. Talking about the battery, the Honor 100 comes with a 5000 mAh battery. Charging it is a breeze with the 100W fast charger included, capable of charging the battery from 0 to 100% in just 32 minutes. As for performance, it's powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, making it the first phone in the world to feature this newly launched processor. The Honor 100 runs on Magic OS 7.2, which is based on Android 13. Even though Android 14 would have been ideal, Magic OS 7.2 is still highly optimized, providing smooth performance. With its 4nm platform and a maximum clock speed of 2.63 GHz, the phone offers excellent performance. It can handle high-end games effortlessly, allowing for smooth gameplay even at medium to high settings. For instance, PUBG Mobile can run at 90 frames per second on this device. Talking about the price, the base variant of the Honor 100 starts at 24.99 Chinese yuan in China, which is around £275 in the UK and up to $345 in the USA. In conclusion, the Honor 100 offers a stunning design, superb display, and above-average performance, making it a compelling choice for users. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.